Yeah. And then it said something about from solid to liquid to
gas.
Yes, but the song was forgetting one state of matter. Plasma, which has a bunch of sciencey words in it that I love, like matter is made out of atoms. Atoms have subatomic particles like protons, neutrons, and
electrons.
Yes. And so when you have a gas that has some weird stuff going on with the electrons, it's ionized, and we call it a plasma.
In my mind, I'm just like,
Okay, maybe that was a little too much. Let's take a step back. What's matter? Anything that takes up
space.
There. Is that too much?
No.
Okay, got it. And so when we were playing around here and building different things, we were using the blocks to represent matter. Okay? So in this case, we have our Legos. Each block represents a molecule. Okay? And no matter what we did with rearranging these molecules, they still, let's double check. Let's tear it. Turn that thing on. It still weighs the same. Let's just double check before we go.
It's still 133.
133 grams. So, kind of what we're thinking is that although matter exists in these different stages and matter can change and rearrange, it doesn't actually disappear.
Yeah.
It keeps some of the same properties in terms of how much it weighs. I bet you if we had a thermometer, it would keep the same temperature. Matter remains the same. All right, your challenge. Take that apart and let's build something else. And let me get you something to build too. Yeah. Same amount. Nope, same amount, same things. Let's get some parts for you to build with too, okay?
Or we still have to do the Minecraft thing. We only have 7 minutes left.
We do?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, Minecraft craft.
Well, of course it did.
All right, here you go, Rainbow Steel Girl. I'll give you a plate here, and you can build right here. Give you some stuff to build. All right, so we're going to try it one more time to make sure that our experiment with these bricks representing molecules works. What are you thinking about building now?
I'm building a heart.
You're going to make a heart?
Yep.
All right, cool.
A colorful hearts. Really, the colors aren't mattering right now, so.
The color doesn't matter. The dum-dum. We're going to use that word all day today. And maybe we'll go back to the beginning and try and figure out a recipe for plasma cakes.
Yeah.
That was lots of fun. Well, as we come to the end of our program here, I want to thank all of you guys for hanging out and sticking with us. We had a little bit of technical difficulties, but we still had a great time. Did you guys have fun?
Yes.
Awesome. Oh, now we're a little bit like, not sure what to build, but keep going. A few things that I want to review and recap. This lesson can be found in the 2-Bit Circus Foundation's Brick Playbook. This is project number 25, talking about what happens to matter when you change things. Each brick represents a molecule, and regardless of how you utilize or reform or reshape these bricks, the molecules still weigh the same. We also reviewed the definition of matter. Matter is, what is it again? What's matter?
Oh. Anything that takes up space and has mass.
Anything that takes up space and has mass. And we also reviewed that matter can exist in 4 fundamental states. Rainbow Steel Girl, do you remember? Can you tell our viewers what those 4 states are? We can start with liquid. Or no, let's start with solid.
Solid? Well, solid.
So solid is like ice.
Yeah.
And then what's the next one?
Liquid.
Liquid is like a drink of water. And then what's the next one?
California.
What's the next one? Rainbow Silver?
Gas.
Gas, which can we see? Not often, right? But it's still there. And then the last one, the new one, where I gave you all those fancy words for?
The plasma.
The plasma.
Let's make plasma cakes after this.
Do we really want? We do want to make plasma cakes. I'm hoping maybe one of the viewers has some ideas for plasma cakes, because that would be really, really awesome if that exists. We had a good time learning about matter, doing our vocabulary again for those families or kids at home. If ever you want to really learn the details about something, vocabulary is so much fun. Add a little music to your learning. I think that's about it. It's a wrap for us today. Thank you for all of you that stuck in. Let me get in the camera frame so we can
I
say
guess
goodbye.
this is all I can do for the heart.
Oh, show me your heart.
Start working on the
Wait, let's see. Is this thing on?
You want to weigh the heart?
Sure.
Okay. Before we go, she wants to weigh the heart. 53 grams. 53 grams. And, all right. If you were to get something else, you'd see what it meant. All right, you guys. Seriously though, thank you so much for sticking with us. We had a lot of fun. We did a little music, we learned a little science, and we built some things with bricks. I'm Dr. DeJohn, and I'm here with Cole Brown. Say hello, and goodbye, and Rainbow Still Girl. Thank you so much for joining us for our creative, playful learning hour. We can't wait for you to come back and join us again soon. Tune in tomorrow, same time, same station.
Hey, look at the plasma cake.
She made one. She made a plasma cake. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much.